Flipkart quiz Steve egg minute if set 123. Number 1 questions: which of these is allowed in a vegan diet? And right answers: black coffee. Next question second: which actor wrote the 2021 book on the motherhood titled The Elephant in the Womb? Right answers: Kakebi. 3 questions: on what date is International Day of Yoga celebrated? Right answer: 21 June. Next 4 questions: in biology, what does S stand for an DNA? Right answers: acid. And next 5 questions: what is the name given to the fighting straight Trojan style it resemble to a fire of jeans? And right answers: Zygnix. And last 6 questions: if Christmas Day is on yesterday on in 2000, which of would the 2020 New Year begin? And right answers: Star Day.